Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. Before we start, if you want to check for the system updates on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zapp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Zapp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on this page you should see the list of my devices, and on it you can tap on the, or rather you should see AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro on the list, and you can tap on it to select it, like this. Once you open this page, scroll down and find the option called System Update. Select it, and the app will check for the updates, and if you have any updates available, you'll be able to tap on Install or Update right here at the bottom. If you don't have it, like I do, my version is up to date, basically I can only tap on OK button to go back. So, if you have any update, tap on Update right here. It will update the watch automatically. Be sure though to charge your battery before you try to update your watch, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch. So either charge the watch or plug it into a charger during the update. And that's about all. That's how you check for the updates. And after you're done, you can close the application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.